Hi everyone. Today I'm thrilled to share a tool that has been a game changer in my affiliate marketing journey. It's the Wealthy Affiliate Hubs, and more specifically, the niche research section. But first, let's talk about Wealthy Affiliate. It's more than just a platform, it's your one-stop shop for everything affiliate marketing. From top-notch education to essential tools, Wealthy Affiliate has it all, making it your virtual headquarters for success. Now let's dive into the star of the show, Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. This hub is designed to streamline your entire entrepreneurial journey, giving you the resources and tools you need to succeed right at your fingertips. And within this hub lies a hidden gem called niche research. It's like having your own personal assistant dedicated to helping you build out your website strategically. Niche research is a powerful section within Wealthy Affiliate Hubs, offering a variety of tools to supercharge your website. It includes niche research done for you, ideas and concepts to build out your website, and many other valuable resources. One standout tool is Blog Topic and Ideas. This is perfect for those starting out in affiliate marketing. It provides a treasure trove of topics and ideas, ensuring you never run out of content to share with your audience. Another gem is in the niche research is the pain points. This tool identifies the pain points of your niche and the most common problems your audience faces. Armed with this knowledge, you can address these issues in your blog posts, offering solutions and establishing yourself as a trusted authority. Now, here's the bottom line. Wealthy Affiliate Hub's niche research is a game changer for affiliate marketers of all levels. It's a toolbox filled with everything you need to build out your website strategically. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, I highly recommend checking out Wealthy Affiliate Hubs. With its comprehensive training materials, specialized tools, and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect platform for anyone looking to build a successful online business. Go to the description below and click on the link there to join Wealthy Affiliate and give it a try now. Your journey to affiliate marketing success starts right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and check out our previous content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.